Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something bold, rugged, and impossible to ignore. The 2025 CAT SULITR 4x4 in bright yellow. This is not just a utility truck, it's a powerful machine designed to stand out, work hard, and dominate every terrain you throw at it. If you're into heavy-duty performance wrapped in aggressive style, stay tuned, this one's for you. Let's start with the design. The 2025 CAT SULITR has gone through a serious upgrade when it comes to exterior styling. The front grille is wider and more muscular, with LED headlamps that look sharp and perform even better. The body lines are aggressive, bold, and functional, giving the truck a strong road presence. And this particular model, finished in CAT's signature yellow, is eye-catching, especially against rough landscapes or dusty construction sites. It's not just about looks. The yellow finish enhances visibility, which is a plus on active work zones or off-road trails. Under the hood. The CAT SULITR 4x4 comes equipped with a high-performance 3.2L turbo diesel engine. This delivers impressive torque output, perfect for towing, hauling, and powering through muddy or uneven terrain. CAT has tuned this engine for durability, meaning you're not just getting power, you're getting reliability, even under extreme conditions. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly whether you're on the highway or climbing a steep rocky trail. Let's talk off-road capabilities. This 4x4 is no joke. It features a reinforced chassis, upgraded suspension, and heavy-duty off-road tires. Whether you're driving through sand dunes, deep mud, or rocky inclines, the SULITR maintains traction and balance like a pro. It also comes with lockable differentials, hill descent control, and skid plates to protect the underbody. The ground clearance has been increased compared to the 2024 model, giving you more room to clear obstacles without damage. Inside the cabin, CAT has made major improvements. You get a dual-tone interior with weather-resistant, easy-to-clean surfaces, ideal for job sites and outdoor use. The seats are supportive and comfortable, even on longer drives. The dashboard now includes a digital driver display, a touchscreen infotainment system, and voice command support. You also have wireless charging, USB-C ports, and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, something we didn't expect to see in a work-focused truck, but it's a welcome addition. On the safety front, CAT hasn't cut corners. You get ABS, electronic brake force distribution, traction, and stability control, and 6 airbags. For added convenience, there's a rear-view camera with dynamic guidelines, blind spot monitoring, and tire pressure monitoring system. These features add peace of mind whether you're driving in the city or reversing with a heavy trailer. When it comes to payload and towing capacity. The 2025 SULITR truly excels. It can carry over 1.2 tons in the bed and tow up to 3.5 tons, making it perfect for transporting construction materials, machinery, or even a fully loaded trailer. The reinforced steel bed has multiple tie-down points, and the rear step bumper makes loading and unloading easier. Let's not forget fuel efficiency. Despite its size and strength, the new engine tuning and aerodynamic bodywork give it decent fuel economy for a 4x4, saving you money in the long run, especially if you're using it daily for work or long-distance travel. In summary, the 2025 CAT SULITR 4x4 in yellow is not just a vehicle, it's a professional tool, a weekend adventurer, and a visual statement, all in one package.